Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm counting down the top 3 Dona keyboards you can find on Amazon right now, from full-weighted pianos to beginner 61-key kits. I'll cover what each model actually offers, the typical price you'll see, the biggest pros and cons, and how buyers are rating them. Ready? Let's dive in. 1. Dona DDP-80 88-key weighted digital piano. Product name: Dona DDP-80, full-size 88-key weighted keyboard. Key features and specs: full 88 weighted hammer action keys that mimic an acoustic piano, triple pedal support, USB MIDI connectivity, built-in speakers, and a compact furniture-style, retro wood option. Current pricing: models and sellers vary, but full-weighted Dona 88 keyboards typically land in the mid to upper hundreds depending on package and seller. Pros and cons: Pro: authentic weighted feel and piano-style ergonomics make it the best choice here for serious beginners or players upgrading from cheap 61 keyboards. Con: heavier, larger, and pricier than beginner kits, and you'll need space and a proper stand bench. Review ratings: Amazon and retailer listings show generally strong customer feedback for Dona's 88-key instruments, solid ratings, and many user photos. 2. Dona OURA DDP-60. Product name: Dona OURA DDP-60, 88-key digital piano. Key features and specs: full-size 88 velocity-sensitive keys, 128 voices tones, multiple reverb effects, recording and USB MIDI, 3 pedal inputs, and several built-in rhythms and demo songs, designed for teaching and home performance. Current pricing: the DDP-60 appears across Amazon listings with prices that can vary by color and seller. Some offers and bundles have been listed in the roughly $340 to $420 area. Check the live page for the latest. Pros and cons: Pro: large feature set, recording, multiple voices, dual mode for teaching, and good speaker output for home use. Con: still a digital instrument, sampled tones, not a grand, and bulk weight make it less portable. Review ratings: strong user approval on Amazon. The DDP-60 shows about 4.55 from buyers on the main listing. 3. Dona 61-key beginner keyboard kit, DEK610S. Similar. Product name: Dona 61-key keyboard piano kit. Key features and specs: 61 velocity-sensitive keys, dozens or hundreds of voices and rhythms. Many kits list to 49 voices, 249 rhythms, LCD display, practice and teaching modes, headphone jack, and usually an all-in-one starter bundle that includes a stand, stool, and microphone. Current pricing: these beginner 61-key kits are the most budget-friendly of the three, commonly priced around $80 to $120 on Amazon depending on promotions. Pros and cons: Pro: excellent value and everything included starter package for new players or kids. Con: smaller key range and lighter action than a full-weighted piano, so you'll outgrow it if you move toward advanced classical technique. Review ratings: very popular with home learners. Many listings show ratings in the 4.3-4.55 range and thousands of user reviews praising value and features. There you have it. If you want real piano feel, go 88-key weighted. If you want lots of built-in learning features and value, the DDP-60 is a strong middle ground. And if you're on a budget or buying for a beginner, the 61-key kit gives the most bang for your buck. Check the product pages for current stock, exact bundle contents, and the latest prices. Links are in the description. Which one would you try first?